Today's question comes from Remiz Rahnas in Kerala, India. Remiz asks, Google announced page load speed matters for ranking. Should we be doing content-only pages for Googlebots by removing images and loads of CSS and JavaScript? The answer to your question is no! And if I could reach through the screen and hit the escape key and Control-C and break, I would. Because that's cloaking. You never want to do something completely different for Googlebot than you'll do for regular users. That's the definition of cloaking. If you have something in your code that's saying if user agent equals Googlebot, or if the IP address is Google, do something different, that's the mere definition of cloaking. So you might think that page load speed is a factor I should care about, so let's make things fast for Googlebot, but that is not the right approach. Number one, we're not only using Googlebot to determine how fast a particular page or a site loads, so it wouldn't even work. Number two, if you're changing the content, that can show up. People will be able to look at the cached page and see, oh, it's nothing but a text page. This is something that's very strange. And so they'll complain about your site cloaking. Think about it. Whenever you include CSS, JavaScript images, most of the time, those are external. We're not even going off to load those at that particular time. So knowing that that external stuff exists doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to go off and fetch it and incorporate it all into the page. But you do want to show the same page to users that you showed to Googlebot. Don't do anything to try to speed things up for Googlebot, because that's cloaking, and that's a much higher risk than just trying to speed things up only for Googlebot.